Ladies and gentlemen, MemeFi yet again has put off the date for the TGE, and as we can see pretty much here, on November the 6th, the final snapshot will take place, and on November the 8th, OKX wallet airdrop checker, open off-chain deposits, and November the 12th, on-chain claims and listings. Okay, so these are the new dates, okay, that we are all anticipating. But for you to qualify for the airdrop, or for you to receive the airdrop allocations, you have to do this right here: OKX Connect Swift Wallets creation campaign. I made a video before showing how to go about it. If you've not seen that video, please check the description of this video. But the process is pretty simple. All you need to do is to simply click on this right here. That's gonna bring you to this, and all you need to do is to connect your MemeFi app to the OKX Web3 wallet on the SU network. That's pretty much what you have to do. I'm going to tell you more about that again in this video, but let me show you something. Many people are worried regarding what would happen to the money they sent to this wallet right here. Remember, it was part of the previous eligibility criteria to fund this wallet here with ETH on a linear network. Okay, some people are confused regarding what would happen to this. Okay, there is no reason to be bothered. This right here is still your money. You can still send it to any wallet of your choice or exchange of your choice. You can send it to the Bybit, Bitget, the OKX platform, Binance, and what have you. Okay, if you click on this, you can see that there is a sequence of words here, which is your secret recovery phrase. All you have to do is to have it penned down. To reveal it, just click on this to reveal it. Okay, and once you are, let's go back to that wallet. Okay, once you are ready to send it anywhere you want to send it to, just click on the withdraw button and withdraw to any platform. Make sure you use the linear network to do that. Okay, let me know if you would want to see a video on how to do this. Okay, so it is still your wallet. You can even import this wallet, okay, to the OKX Web3 wallet, or maybe the Bitget Web3 wallet. Okay, once you are back to the home page, if you click on this, okay, this airdrop, this will show you the eligibility criteria, the things you need to do to qualify for a higher airdrop. Okay, look at this. It says you've completed all the criteria. Okay, so let's go through them one after the other. Earn at least 50 million coins. Okay, and the next is upgrade to MemeFi Premium, and the next is complete 1+ on-chain transactions, daily turn check-in, top-up bot purchases. The next is make at least one transaction in Telegram stars, and the next is participate in at least one daily giveaway, and finally complete at least 10 and campaigns. Okay, now about this campaign, as I said earlier, you've got to complete this, and the way to do this is to go to the Google Play Store, look for OKX. Okay, search for it on the Google Play Store. Once you see it, download it, then create an account. After creating an account, that's going to bring you to the home page of the OKX platform. Now I want you to pay close attention, because I noticed some people are still confused, hence the need for this second video that I'm making. Okay, the MemeFi team are gonna be launching on the SUI network instead of the linear network. Initially they wanted to launch on the linear network. Now they have decided to launch on the SUI network, so they partnered with the team. Because of this, they want us, okay, to connect the OKX Web3 wallet, okay, to their app. So That is the reason you have to download this app from the Google Play Store and sign up for an account. After that, click on this right here, that wallet. Okay, that will bring you to the OKX Web3 wallet. You can see that if it is your first time clicking on it, you will be prompted to create a wallet. I don't have any such prompts because I already have a wallet with my password and seed phrase clearly penned down somewhere safe. If it is your first time, you'll be prompted to create a wallet. So let me show you. You would see something like this, create a wallet. Okay, so you would just click on this. After creating the wallet, the next step would be to click on that right there. That would bring you here. Okay, search for SUI. It is spelled SUI. SUI. Search for it, click on it. Once you do that, it would show here, the symbol will show here. Okay, so that means you've linked your Web3 wallet to the SUI network. The next step would be to just scroll to this. I showed all of this in the previous video. Just this stuff that is sliding here. Okay, look for this one that says check your MemeFi Airdrop eligibility. Just click on it. Okay, and if you click on it, it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and you will be prompted to connect your Telegram to the OKX Web3. Okay, I showed that in the previous video. If you've not seen it, it's going to be linked in the description of this video. Watch it. Okay, so it is pretty simple. Just follow the on-screen instructions that will display here and connect your wallet. After that, the following will display here, and note what it says here: MemeFi Airdrop checker. Okay, so this is where you would have to come to check your airdrop allocation. Okay, I gave you the dates from the beginning of this video. Okay, so keep coming here to check your airdrop allocation. Okay, so you can see the details I have now. Okay, and before I continue, let's address this important question. Somebody asked me in the comment, and what was the question? The person said that their country was restricted from accessing the OKX platform. Okay, I know that Indians and Nigerians, maybe Bangladesh and some of those countries are restricted from using the OKX platform. Well, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? We are talking about the OKX Web3 wallet. Okay, it is accessible anywhere in the world, irrespective of your country. So what we are connecting to the MemeFi app is the OKX Web3. It is accessible anywhere, whether you are in Nigeria or you are in India or Bangladesh. Okay, you can access it. All you need to do is to go to the Google Play Store, download it, and follow the instructions in this video. Okay, and once you're back here, just click on this right here. Okay, and that's going to bring you to this place. You will see check task. Okay, all you need to do will be to click on that, and that we connect this to your OKX Web3 wallet. And by the way, if you click on this and it doesn't work, consider using a VPN or running an update of your OKX app. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You can see here it says thank you for completing the task. I've done it. Once you click on check task and the connection runs through successfully, you would also get the same message. Okay, if you're confused, watch my previous video.